Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to turn your ideas into a fun cartoon animation with Canva? Let's dive in. Click Create, then select Videos and choose a landscape video. Go to Elements and select a suitable background. Type Lightbulb Pics and select the graphics category from the results. Select a suitable image to add as the background. Search the page for the elements you need. Search for fish using the search bar to find all available options related to fish in the application. Add animation by clicking the object. Then, click it again to adjust or preview the animation effect. Next, we'll add smoke to enhance the scene effects. Apply the flicker effect now. Next, add more elements directly in this area to continue building your design. No instruction or action provided to script. Add the sun. Next, create an animation for the sun by adding a pulse intensity effect. Check the wiggle effect to preview animation movement. Click Done to finish. You can also add animation for this. Try adding the animation again. Click Done, then preview your animation. To save, click Share, select Download, and choose a higher quality setting before downloading. Now you know how to create cartoon animations in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tutorials.